How to waterproof a laptop. Hey there! Did you know that every year, millions of laptops get damaged by water spills? Yup, just one little accident can ruin your laptop forever. Crazy, right? So today, we're diving into a super important topic, waterproofing your laptop. Whether you're a student, a remote worker, or just someone who loves their tech, keeping your laptop safe from spills is essential. Trust me, you don't want to be that person who lost everything because of one tiny mistake. Let's talk about the common scenarios where water damage happens. Think about it, how many times have you had a drink near your laptop? Or maybe you're working in a cafe, and someone bumps into your table? Or worse, you accidentally knock over your water bottle. These things happen all the time. The worst part? Repairing or replacing a laptop can cost you hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars. Not to mention the hassle of losing all your important files and data. It's a nightmare that no one wants to face. Now, let's explore some methods to waterproof your laptop. There are actually a few options out there. First up, we have waterproof sprays. These are pretty easy to use, just spray it on your laptop's surface and let it dry. They create a protective barrier against water. Then, there are skins or covers. These are like a second layer for your device, and they come in all sorts of designs. Lastly, you can invest in a waterproof case. This is a bit bulkier, but it's the most reliable option if you're really worried about spills. Each method has its pros and cons, but the best part is that they're all super easy to use and can make a huge difference. Alright, now for the fun part. Let me show you a super quick and effective waterproofing method that you can do in literally seconds. Here's a spray I'm using today. It's from a reputable brand, and it works wonders. Watch this. Demonstrate spraying the laptop and explaining the steps. Just make sure to cover all the surfaces evenly and let it dry for a bit. And voila! You've just waterproofed your laptop. Seriously, it's that easy. To wrap it all up, waterproofing your laptop is a must-do if you want to protect your investment. We've talked about the different methods, and you've seen just how simple it is to do. Remember, a little precaution can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had a laptop spill experience? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out my other tech tips and maintenance videos. Hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more awesome content.